Um, Good evening, guys. Good evening, sir. We are here to present our system and functionality of our final project. So, by the way, I am Mark William Sabunod, and
I'm Junel Micabalo.
I'm Jaya May Wenceslao.
And I am Junal Gonzaga.
okay. So, first, we are here in our registration form. Okay, registration form. Then, let's register our account and let's fill up the input field. Like this. Oh. And the possible error we encountered is when you forget to fill up the input field like this. So you see uh, the tag sign, please fill out this field. So you must be fill out this field. Let's type our name, and once you're done to fill out all field, then click the registration button. Click the registration button and you go to directly and login form. Take note, guys. You can proceed to the login form if your account didn't registered. So you must be registered first. So let's go back to our login form. Okay, so let's fill out the field, and once you're done, click the login button. You will direct to our dashboard. So you see the inside of our dashboard is the navigation. Sidebar contains profile, business name, dashboard, inventory, POS, customer, and logout. And then the other side is our data. So you can see our monthly sales data, and that's all the process of our registration and login form. And Janelle explained to all of our inventory.
So I am Junel Micabalo and I will show you the functionality of inventory. So first, click the inventory and then you can see the inside of our inventory is create new product, update product price, and stock of products. So let's try create new product that we sell. So here, so we put product and price. So the product name is wings. The and the price is example 180 per kilo. And the quantity is 1,000. So let's create it. So once you done to create, you can see into stock of products. So we proceed to stock of products, and this is what we create product form. You can see the ID, product name that we sell, and the price of our product and the quantity. The quantity, you see our available products and solds. If our product sold the customer and display sold. So the breast is already sold out of our customer. And you can also update the price. So let's update the price. So here, the price of our wings lately is 180. So let's try put 200. And after that, click the update price button. And go back to stock of our products to see our newly price. So as you can see, the price change into 200. So simple as that. Click delete and then you can it says 127 and there's a message that can pop up and and it says, are you sure want to delete this product? So here, and then click OK. Automatically, the product is deleted if we want to delete. So, Jonald Gonzaga will explain or to show what process in our POS.
So, hello guys. I am Joel Gonzaga and I will show you what process in our POS. So, let's go. Let's click our POS navigation. And once you click our POS navigation, you can direct in our POS dashboard. And inside of our POS dashboard, create customer new order and order list and sales report. So let's try to create the customer order. So in our create new order, we have a product name, quantity or kilo, price, total, customer name, amount paid. So let's put our name. And let's select our product we buy. So the available product is feet and wings, and you can see it. The breast is not available. General showing lately our in our inventory is the breast is sold out. So in our create new order is already not available. So let's buy a wings and directly display that total price. And also the customer can add product or can make a multiple product in one order. So let's add the product and we select fit. Let's try one more and we select the wings. So you can also remove if you want. So let's remove the wings. So this is the total of our product we buy. It's 300 pesos and we put our amount is 500 and it display the total change. And once you create this product, once you create a product, you can direct our order receipt. So this is our order receipt. You can see the order ID, customer, products, quantity, price, total price, and amount paid, and the change. And date and time. You can also download the receipt in our PDF. So this is our order receipt. We print in PDF. What we input in our create product, it also reflect in our order receipt. We have also have order ID, customer name, product, quantity, price, total price, amount paid, and the change. So let's go back our POS dashboard and let's click our order list. Let's try the functionality of our order list. In our order list, you can see the ID, customer name, product that we buy, the customer, total price, date, time, status, action. So you can see the status is pending. We put the deliver after 5 hours in around Misamis Oriental. So you can also view receipt in our order list, and you can also cancel order. So let's try the our cancel order functionality. Let's click the cancel order. So you can see the message. Are you sure you want to cancel this order? So let's click OK if it's work. So as you can see, guys, it is working. So let's go back in Trace dashboard and try we try to click our sales report. What inside? So in our sales report, you can see the date, total sales. So and you can also see the our graph. So this is our graph. You can see our total sales. It is 750 pesos. So that's all our functionality of POS. So let's go back to the main dashboard. And then the customer and logout, Gia, show what functionality of them. So Gia,
So I'm Jaya, and I'm going to show you how the process in what might be the function in customer and logout. So now we first click on this customer. And just as you can see here that it has an ID, name, email, address, phone number, date and time to create. So now let's create new customer and fill out all input field. Then yes, you directly see what we created. So by this record is from who ordered from us. But then we also have a reward system for them if they frequently purchase our products. So now let's go back to the main dashboard. And let's try to log out our system. So you guys can see the functionality of our system, that it was good. And yes, this system is ready to be used, and that's all. Thank you.